How to fix Facebook not sending SMS codes. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all check your internet connection, then head to the Play Store and tap on the search icon. Now type Facebook and click on search. Now tap on Facebook and make sure to update to the latest version. Then simply go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on your device. Now scroll down, click on apps, then go to app management. Now find Facebook, then tap on force stop, then go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Now tap on delete and restart Facebook. If nothing solves the issue, you might have to wait for 24 hours until you can get a new codes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.